One Luchador EMC, what I'm holding here, it's an electric cigarette. Now, liquor stores, 7-Elevens, gas stations, they sell these all the time, right? When I got first introduced to an electric cigarette or an e-cig, one of the first things that caught my attention, because I used to smoke real cigarettes. So one of the first things that caught my attention is that they advertise e-cigarettes as safer than regular cigarettes. I started smoking e-cigarettes because I thought that it was going to be a great transition and it's going to help me quit, which eventually did. I haven't touched a Black and Mild, I haven't touched a Newport. I'm getting tired of is that how long has it been? Has it been like 7 years the most? Has it been 7 years since that we've been introduced to this technology that is safer and that there is no secondhand smoke? One of the things that I hate is that, as you guys can see with this one, it says smoke virtually anywhere. Smoke virtually anywhere. This is just one of the few examples that they market these pieces of shit. I know that I've seen some that says, oh, they're healthier than regular cigarettes. So I don't know how these companies are not getting sued because they're providing false information. But one of the things that I'm getting really tired of is that it is true, you can smoke these anywhere. But when are we gonna be acceptable? When is society gonna accept these to be smoked at work? Or are they gonna be accepted to be smoked in airplanes and the library? I don't know, anywhere that is public. Because I'm gonna tell you guys something. I go for what the fuck this thing says. I go by my own goddamn research. And one of the things that I noticed is that a few times that I smoked these, that there is no goddamn smoke. Let me tell you guys something. People that don't smoke these, I just want to let you guys know that regular cigarettes, you blow 4,000 harmful chemicals in the air. And that is why it's bad for you guys that don't smoke. 4,000 bad chemical. It includes rat poison, fucking rocket fuel, combustion, you name it. Tar, whatever. 4,000 different types of chemicals that is harmful to you. Now with e-cigarettes, and it has been tested before, way too many times, that this is just vapor. Now, I know that it's not FDA approved. I know that I'm probably inhaling some type of fucking, I know it's nicotine for sure. Probably I'm inhaling metals. I don't know what the fuck it has inside because the FDA has not approved it. But one thing I do know for sure is that if I smoke these, that's good, man. That's some good shit. If I smoke these, it's not gonna affect you. If you see someone, don't fucking come up to us and be like, why the fuck are you smoking? Shut the fuck up, man. You know why I'm pissed off? These, I know that it doesn't smell at all. I know that it's not harmful in any fucking way. The last 2 times that I lit one of these, some fucking lady came up to me like, why are you smoking in front of children? Bitch, this is an electric cigarette. I'm just waiting for the FDA to give us an okay. I don't give a fuck. Tax it if you want. I'm willing to spend, what, an extra $5 if you want. But I want our society to know that we can smoke these in public. That we can smoke these in bars, goddammit. I smoke these in bars and I've been telling them to, I've been told by bartenders to be like, sorry, you gotta put down your cigarette. This is an e-cigarette, it doesn't do any harm. I know, but this is what they say. I know, but it looks like a regular cigarette and it's scaring people off. Are you guys fucking shitting me, man? That's some bullshit. So I'm just asking for the FDA to hurry the fuck up and give us a goddamn okay that is socially acceptable to smoke e-cigarettes. Because I want to smoke this shit at work. I want to smoke this shit indoors. I want to smoke this shit when I go to the movie theaters, when I go bar hopping. I don't give a fuck. If there's no second-hand smoke that is gonna affect anyone in my fucking surroundings. I just want to thank you guys for watching this video. Subscribe and let me know. I mean, do you think that it's time for the fucking FDA to step it up and let us know that smoking e-cigarettes in public should be acceptable.